And that's an incredible amount of profit for just backing and laying, and it's literally profit in like 10 seconds it's going to take you to place those bets. In this video, I wanted to talk to you about arbitrage betting, or Arbing as it's known, how much money you can make doing it, and then whether or not you should even be doing it at all. Welcome back to the #1 match betting channel on YouTube. Oh, that's a big claim. My name's Chris, and really my main goal with this channel is to help you make as much money each month through match betting. I have a few different groups that you can join for completely free, like my Facebook group and Telegram group where I'm sharing what bets I'm getting on, as well as some other groups where you can check out all the links for those down in the description. So recently, a member over on my Patreon page asked me if you can place bets at the bookmaker at higher odds and then go over to the exchange and lay at lower odds and lock in a profit that way. And then they also asked, is that too good to be true? So being that there's a lot of people brand new to match betting here on the Profit Boss channel, I really wanted to just clear that up and just basically explain what that is and how it works and everything around it. So yes, you can do that. You can place a higher back bet and then lay it at lower odds. And that is what's known as Arbing, arbitrage betting, whatever you want to call it. And basically, yes, that is a way to lock in a guaranteed profit. But by doing that, you're actually taking much more value from the bookmakers, and you might get away with it once or twice, maybe even 3 times if you're lucky. But then they are going to gub you pretty fast. And when you get gubbed, that's it. You're going to be massively state restricted down to just being able to bet pennies. You're not going to be able to place, like, in order to make money Arbing, you need to be placing £100 plus in order to make any money from it. Let me show you an example of that over on the laptop. So on the OddsMonkey dashboard, obviously to get the odds for back and lay odds for everything, we need to click on the odds matcher. By the way, as usual, I've got my free trial link down in the description if you're not signed up to OddsMonkey already yet. But basically, this is going to give us the software to find us these odds that we need. So I actually have my filter set, so I will never get an ARB. I'll never get to see an ARB because I don't want to do them. Oh, that's kind of ruining the surprise, actually. I was going to tell you at the end of the video whether you should be doing these or not. But yeah, that kind of gives you a hint that I don't actually do them. But you want to click on filter, and to see these ARBs, you would then put in the match rating, say 200, and then just apply filter. You probably already have 200 in your filter. But I set 100% because I don't want to see these. So as you can see here, if we just take this very top one and click on the information icon there, you can see the £100 bet there, back bet, and then laying it at £114.68. Because the back odds are 2.5 and then the lay odds are 2.18, of course that's giving us the ARB, but the lay odds are lower there than the back odds. Now, that is going to give us a profit, as you can see here at the bottom, of £14.68 profit just by placing a £100 bet. And then if you wanted to go crazy with it and say the bookmaker was allowing you to place 500, which it is a Europa League football match, so yes, you could place that, then ignore that part in the red. You would be able to match that. It means there's not enough money available at the exchange to match it in one go, but you would be able to manually lay it, bit by bit yourself. But yeah, with a £500 bet on there, you're actually going to be able to make a profit of £73.39. And that's an incredible amount of profit for just backing and laying, and it's literally profit in like 10 seconds it's going to take you to place those bets. But like I already gave away, you really, really do not want to be doing these. If you're brand new to match betting, I seriously advise that you set your match rating maximum percentage match to 100, and then you will never see these ARBs, and that's a great thing. You don't want to be doing these because, like I say, it's just going to get your accounts closed, and then you're not going to be able to make any more profit match betting with getting free bets and getting on the offers, such as like extra place offers. And especially do not do it with your Bet365 account, since that is the very most valuable bookmaker account that you can have. Over on my Patreon page, I am actually going to be putting up a video on there where I try Arbing on my gubbed accounts for a week and then show you my results and show you how much money I've made just by betting with gubbed accounts with super restricted stakes, and then be able to show you how much you can actually make by doing that. That's going to do it for this video then. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, obviously, I would appreciate you pressing the like button below. And as usual, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.